In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the DocuSign error uploading PDF quickly and easily. If you're trying to upload a document into DocuSign and it keeps failing, showing an error message, or just won't process the file, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it's very simple to fix. I'll walk you through 6 proven solutions step by step so you can get your document uploaded and sent without any delays. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. The first thing you need to check is the file size of your PDF. DocuSign has file size limits, and if your document is too large, it may fail during upload. Locate your PDF on your computer, right-click on it, and select Properties if you're on Windows, or Get Info if you're on a Mac. Look at the file size and make sure it's within DocuSign's allowed limit. If the file is too large, you can reduce the size by using an online PDF compressor or by resaving the file with lower resolution images. Once compressed, try uploading it again. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue immediately. Next, check if your PDF is password protected. DocuSign does not allow uploading PDFs that require a password to open. To test this, double-click the file and see if it asks for a password before opening. If it does, you'll need to remove that protection. Open the PDF in a program like Adobe Acrobat, go to the security settings, and remove the password protection. Then save the file as a new PDF. After that, go back to DocuSign and attempt the upload again. This is one of the most common causes of upload errors. The third step is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the upload process and trigger an error. Open a new browser tab and run a quick speed test using a site like fast.com. If your connection is slow or unstable, try restarting your router or switching to a more stable network. Once your connection is stable, refresh DocuSign and re-upload the file. Even a brief connection drop can cause the upload to fail. If the problem continues, try using DocuSign in an Incognito window or a different browser. Sometimes browser extensions or stored session data can interfere with uploads. Open an Incognito or private browsing window and log into your DocuSign account there. Then try uploading the same PDF again. Alternatively, switch from Chrome to Edge, Firefox, or Safari. If the upload works in another browser, then the issue is likely related to your original browser settings or extensions. Another important fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, cache data can become corrupted and cause unexpected errors. Go into your browser settings, find Privacy and Security, then select Clear Browsing Data. Choose cached images and cookies and clear them. After clearing, close your browser completely, reopen it, log back into DocuSign, and try uploading the PDF again. This often resolves persistent upload problems. Finally, check the DocuSign system status. Occasionally, the issue isn't on your end at all. DocuSign servers may be experiencing temporary outages or maintenance. You can check the official DocuSign status page to see if there are any reported service disruptions. If there's an outage, you'll simply need to wait until the issue is resolved. Once the system is back to normal, your upload should work without any additional fixes. And that's how to fix the DocuSign error uploading PDF step by step. Start by checking file size, remove any password protection, confirm your internet connection, try Incognito or another browser, clear your cache and cookies, and finally check DocuSign system status. One of these solutions will usually solve the problem quickly. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.